Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about some important key features or settings that we have in audio. When you open CapCut, you have this audio option on the top left hand side of the screen. Once you click on audio, you see all these audio files from CapCut. You can choose one of these audio files to edit your video. It depends upon the version that you are using. In basic version, you can use some audio files, but if you use professional version, then you can select many audio files for your video. So we already have this audio file recorded. We already have the audio file into our video. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video? So at any point in time, if you want to increase the volume, all you need to do is put your cursor and do it like this. It is going to increase the volume. If you want to decrease the volume, all you need to do is put the cursor here and scroll it down, and then it is going to reduce the volume. Didn't look right. Now here is the most important thing. We know how to increase the volume and reduce the volume. The other important feature that we have in this tool is fading in and fading out. Fading in and fading out. So what happens is, if you have like if you have loud sound at the beginning of the video, what you can do is you can use this fade in option. Once you click on fade in option, if you see here, the volume is increasing gradually. See, let me play the video file and see. Hi, I am Naresh. So this way, what is happening is, when someone plays your audio, it is not going to be very loud. It is going to be, very soft at the beginning, and then gradually it is going to increase the volume. So this is very important key setting that you can use while editing your videos. Fade in. And also at the end of the video, you don't want the people who are watching your video to have a very big volume. Hi, I am Naresh. So what you can do is, you can use this fade out option here, put the cursor here, and you can use fade out option here. See, fade out. Now what is happening is, the volume is going to gradually reduce in the last 5 to 10 seconds of your video. So I'm going to play and see how it sounds like. AI video, you will be proud to share with the world. See, if you have noticed, the volume has reduced. So now what you can do is, you can adjust the main volume. And if you play now, hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video? It sounds like this. So it is gradually increasing and decreasing with the world. See, it sounds much better. So play with these options whenever you are editing your videos, and it will help you to create much better videos. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.